Want a gaming PC that looks massive, feels fast, and turns head the second it powers on? Then stay with me, because this build has a monster graphics card, premium parts all around, and one very important detail you need to know before you buy everything. At the heart of this build is the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT OC Edition 16GB GDDR6, and this is the part that gives the whole system its identity. In real gaming terms, this card is built for very strong 1440p performance, high settings, smooth frame rates, and enough video memory to stay comfortable in demanding modern games. What I like here is the balance. You're getting serious power, but you're also getting a cooler that makes sense for real-world builds. Thanks to the triple fan design and the slimmer 2.5 slot layout, this card is a great fit for people who want strong cooling without going for an oversized brick inside the case. In my experience, that matters more than people think, especially when you want a clean, quiet system. Now, compared with a key rival like the RTX 5070 Ti class of card, this one really stands out in the traditional gaming value. If your focus is gaming first and you want strong performance without paying extra just for branding or bonus features you may not use every day, this card makes a lot of sense. And before we move on, be sure to check the product links in the description. Next up is the Intel Core Ultra 5 Desktop-Prozessor 245K 14 kern. And this chip gives the build a strong modern base. It has the kind of speed that keeps games feeling sharp and responsive, and it also helps with streaming, multitasking, and everyday work without making the system feel heavy or slow. What makes this processor interesting is that it gives you a nice mix of gaming performance and platform freshness. You're not just buying speed for today, you're also buying into a newer setup with room to build around it properly. If you enjoy PC content like this, make sure you subscribe for more builds like this, and if this setup is already looking good to you, drop a like on the video. For the board, we have the ASUS Prime Z890M plus Wi-Fi, and this is a compact board with a surprisingly modern feature set. You get fast, wireless, strong wired networking, support for very fast storage, and a current platform that fits the processor nicely. What I like most is that it packs a lot into a smaller layout. It gives this build a clean and modern foundation without feeling stripped down. But there is one important thing here, and this is something you absolutely do not want to miss. This motherboard uses DDR5 memory only, and that becomes very important when we get to the RAM. The memory listed here is the Timetec 16GB kit DDR4. RAM is the short-term working space your PC uses while games, apps, and Windows are all doing their thing, and it plays a big role in how smooth the system feels. In this build, we're using 16GB total, which is the bare minimum for a powerful gaming PC in 2026. But there's a bigger issue. This kit is DDR4, while the motherboard supports DDR5 only. So this exact memory kit does not fit this build, and that's one part that must be changed before assembly. Storage is handled by the Samsung 990 PRO NVMe M.2 SSD 2TB, and this is one of those parts that makes a system feel instantly premium. Games load quickly, Windows feel snappy, and you have enough room for a serious library without filling the drive right away. For a high-end gaming PC, this is exactly the kind of storage choice I like to see. It's fast, reliable, and roomy enough to keep the build feeling modern from day one. Cooling comes from the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 5, and this is a serious air cooler for your serious build. It's designed to handle a powerful processor while keeping noise under control, which is perfect for anyone who wants performance without a constant wall of fan noise. In my experience, a strong air cooler like this is a great choice for a gaming PC because it gives you excellent thermal performance with less complexity. It's powerful, quiet, and a very good match for the overall style of this build. Powering the system is the Thermaltake Toughpower, and this is a smart modern pick. You get good efficiency, clean cable management thanks to the modular design, and support for today's graphics hardware standards. That makes it a practical and well-balanced choice for this setup. It has enough power for the build as listed, and it keeps the system looking cleaner and easier to manage during assembly. The case is the Be Quiet Light Base 900DX Black, and this thing is all about presence. It's big, bold, and built to show off your components, which makes it perfect for a high-end gaming PC that's meant to look as powerful as it performs. What really stands out is the amount of space and flexibility you get. Cable management is easier, airflow planning is easier, and the whole build has room to breathe. Just keep in mind that this case does not come with pre-installed fans, so that's something you'll want to budget for. So overall, this is a very powerful and very stylish gaming PC for 2026, built around an excellent graphics card and a premium set of supporting parts. Just remember, the listed memory does not match the motherboard, so that one detail needs to be fixed before the build is ready. Check the product offers in the video description, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more PC builds.